Hello there, and welcome to the Bedtime Lab, where we gently guide you into a world of wonder and discovery, all in the soothing embrace of bedtime storytelling. Tonight, we're embarking on a journey across the stars, exploring the fascinating realm of international space cooperation. So, get comfy, close your eyes if you'd like, and let your imagination drift. As we journey through these sleepy facts, feel free to leave a comment about where you're tuning in from. It's always lovely to know where our friends are joining us from around the world. Can you imagine nations working together beyond their borders, sharing the boundless expanse of space? Isn't it incredible? The idea of international cooperation in space might sound modern, but did you know it actually dates back to the 1960s? That's right. Even during the intense rivalry of the Cold War, the United States and the Soviet Union found a way to collaborate on space exploration. This amazing partnership began when they agreed to share scientific data about solar activities to better understand how they affect our planet. Let me share something interesting. The International Space Station, which orbits our Earth at approximately 400 kilometers above us, is one of the most prominent symbols of international space cooperation. It's a joint project involving 15 countries, including the United States, Russia, Japan, Canada, and 11 European nations. It's quite remarkable, isn't it? Speaking of which, the International Space Station has been continuously inhabited since the year 2000. That's over 2 decades of humans living and working together in space. Here's another fascinating fact. The Intercosmos program, initiated by the Soviet Union, invited non-Soviet nations to participate in space missions. By doing so, countries like Vietnam, Cuba, and even Afghanistan had their astronauts, known as cosmonauts, fly to space in the 1970s and 1980s. This program was one of the earliest efforts to include a diverse range of countries in space exploration. And did you know that astronauts aboard the International Space Station come from all walks of life and from many different parts of the globe? For instance, the European Space Agency is comprised of 22 member countries, each contributing to the selection and support of astronauts. This diverse collaboration has produced astronauts like Samantha Cristoforetti from Italy, who holds the record for the longest single spaceflight by a woman. Now, let's drift to another intriguing detail. The Apollo-Soyuz test project in 1975 marked the first international human spaceflight mission, where an American Apollo module docked with a Soviet Soyuz spacecraft. This historic handshake in space was a significant milestone, symbolizing a shift from competition to cooperation. Speaking of cooperative projects, the European Space Agency's Rosetta mission, which studied the comet Churyumov-Gerasimenko, was a collaborative effort involving contributions from many countries. The mission's Philae lander made headlines when it achieved the first controlled touchdown on a comet's surface in 2014. This illustrates the power of international collaboration in achieving groundbreaking space exploration. And here's something fascinating. UNESCO, the United Nations Educational, Scientific, and Cultural Organization, played a role in promoting space cooperation too. In the 1960s, it helped establish the Committee on Space Research, which brought scientists from different nations together to discuss space exploration and its potential benefits for humanity. Let me share another tidbit. The Global Precipitation Measurement Mission, a joint initiative by NASA and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency, was launched in 2014. This mission is crucial for understanding Earth's water cycle by measuring precipitation from space, and is an example of how countries can pool their resources for the greater good. Can you imagine how international cooperation continues to evolve? Well, in 2019, NASA announced the Artemis program, aiming to land the first woman and the next man on the moon by the mid-2020s. This ambitious endeavor involves international partners, including the European Space Agency, which is providing the service module for NASA's Orion spacecraft. And speaking of lunar missions, did you know that China and Russia signed a memorandum of understanding to jointly develop a lunar research station? This partnership highlights the growing trend of international collaboration as countries set their sights back on the moon and beyond. Here's something to ponder. The Copernicus Earth Observation Program, a joint initiative by the European Union and the European Space Agency, provides free and open access to satellite imagery. This data supports a wide range of services, from climate monitoring to disaster response, showcasing how space collaboration can have tangible benefits here on Earth. The soothing hum of these collaborations is like a lullaby in the vastness of space, where humanity's shared dreams and aspirations take flight. As we float through these facts, I hope you're feeling more connected not just to the world around you, but to the universe and the endless possibilities that await. So, wherever you are in the world, close your eyes, let your mind wander among the stars, and dream of all the wonders space cooperation can bring. As we continue our celestial journey, let me share with you something truly fascinating. Did you know that the International Space Station orbits Earth at such a speed that it experiences 16 sunrises and sunsets each day? Imagine witnessing the beauty of our planet's horizons more than a dozen times every 24 hours. This continuous cycle of light and darkness is a testament to the remarkable work of international teams who ensure the station's smooth operation. The International Space Station's construction is a marvel of modern engineering and diplomacy. It involved over 100 individual parts being launched into space, each built by different countries and all fitting together like a cosmic jigsaw puzzle. This intricate assembly is a testament to the meticulous planning and cooperation between the nations involved. Speaking of international collaborations, did you know that astronauts on the International Space Station speak multiple languages? Primarily, they use English and Russian, ensuring clear communication between crew members and ground control teams across continents. This linguistic cooperation is as vital as any technical component when it comes to managing life in space. Shifting our gaze to a different part of the universe, let me tell you about the Hubble Space Telescope. This groundbreaking project is a collaboration between NASA and the European Space Agency. Launched in 1990, Hubble has vastly expanded our understanding of the cosmos, capturing breathtaking images that have brought the wonders of the universe closer to us all. Its success is a shining example of what can be achieved when nations work together towards a common goal. Now, here's something you might find surprising. The European Space Agency has a unique program called Space for Earth, which highlights how space technology can improve life on our planet. Through this initiative, satellite data is used to monitor environmental changes, enhance agricultural practices, and even track illegal fishing activities. This program exemplifies the tangible benefits of international space cooperation for everyday life. As we drift further, think about this. The International Charter, Space and Major Disasters, is an agreement signed by 17 space agencies worldwide. This charter provides free satellite imagery to aid disaster response efforts globally. Whether it's a natural disaster or a humanitarian crisis, this collaborative effort ensures that critical information reaches those in need quickly. And did you know that in 2004, the United Nations celebrated World Space Week with the theme Space for Sustainable Development. This annual event, observed from October 4th to 10th, emphasizes the role of space technology in solving global challenges. It brings together countries and organizations to share experiences and solutions, illustrating how space exploration can contribute to a sustainable future for all. Here's a delightful fact. The European Southern Observatory, an intergovernmental organization based in Chile, is responsible for some of the world's most advanced telescopes. These instruments, developed through international cooperation, have provided astronomers with invaluable insights into the universe. The observatory's work is a beautiful illustration of how scientific collaboration transcends borders and brings us closer to the stars. Speaking of stars, did you know that the Square Kilometre Array, set to be the world's largest radio telescope, is an international project involving countries from 5 continents? Once completed, it will enable scientists to study the universe in unprecedented detail, shedding light on the mysteries of dark matter and the origins of the cosmos. This ambitious endeavor highlights the power of global collaboration in pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. And here's something to ponder. The Canadian Space Agency's contribution to the International Space Station includes the Canadarm, a series of robotic arms that have become iconic symbols of space exploration. These sophisticated tools, developed through international partnerships, play a crucial role in constructing and maintaining the space station, showcasing how technology can unite nations in the name of exploration. Let me share another fascinating tidbit. The Mars Express mission, launched by the European Space Agency in 2003, was a collaborative effort involving multiple countries. This mission has provided essential data about the Martian atmosphere, surface, and subsurface, contributing to our understanding of the red planet. Such endeavors remind us that the spirit of discovery knows no borders. As we continue to float through the cosmos, consider this. The International Astronautical Congress is an annual event that brings together countries, organizations, and individuals involved in space activities. It's a platform for sharing ideas, fostering partnerships, and inspiring future generations of space explorers. This Congress is a testament to the enduring spirit of international cooperation and the shared human desire to reach for the stars. Finally, let's marvel at the Cassini-Huygens mission to Saturn, a joint venture between NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Italian Space Agency. This mission provided breathtaking images and invaluable scientific data about Saturn and its moons, including the discovery of liquid methane lakes on Titan. The success of Cassini-Huygens is a beautiful reminder of what we can achieve when we come together to explore the universe. As you let these sleepy facts wash over you, imagine the countless possibilities that lie ahead in the realm of international space cooperation. With each new mission and every shared discovery, we move closer to understanding not only the universe, but our place within it. So, as you drift off into a dream-filled slumber, let your thoughts dance among the stars, fueled by the wonders of what we can accomplish together. Imagine the vastness of space and how it offers endless opportunities for collaboration. Did you know that Japan's space agency JAXA has been a pivotal partner in international space missions? Their contributions range from advanced satellite technology to innovative experiments conducted on the International Space Station. One notable achievement is the Kibo module, a state-of-the-art laboratory on the space station, which serves as a hub for scientific research across a variety of disciplines. It's a testament to Japan's commitment to shared exploration and scientific advancement. Speaking of laboratories, Have you ever heard of the Alpha Magnetic Spectrometer? This extraordinary device was installed on the International Space Station through a collaboration involving 16 nations. Its purpose is to study cosmic rays and search for evidence of dark matter. The data collected by the spectrometer could unlock some of the universe's most profound secrets, demonstrating once again the power of collective efforts to expand our understanding of the cosmos. And here's a thought-provoking detail. The International Space Station itself has been continuously inhabited since the year 2000. This remarkable milestone is not just a testament to human endurance, but also a reflection of the seamless collaboration among 15 countries. They work together to ensure the station remains a beacon of scientific progress, orbiting our planet every 90 minutes. It's a global village in space, where astronauts live and work together in harmony, conducting experiments that benefit all of humanity. While we're on the topic of collaboration, consider the fascinating story of China's space advancements. Although China has been developing its own space station, known as Tiangong, it remains open to international partnerships. In fact, the United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs has signed an agreement with China to allow scientists from various countries to conduct experiments aboard Tiangong. This openness to cooperation highlights the growing recognition of space as a shared frontier. Here's something that might pique your interest. The European Space Agency and Russia have joined forces on the ExoMars program, aiming to explore the Martian environment and search for signs of past life. This two-part mission includes an orbiter launched in 2016 and a rover set to launch in the near future. The ExoMars initiative is a testament to the shared ambition to unlock the mysteries of our neighboring planet and showcases the strength of international collaboration in space exploration. In another instance of cross-border teamwork, the Indian Space Research Organization's Chandrayaan missions have captured global attention. Chandrayaan-2, launched in 2019, marked India's first attempt to land on the Moon's southern pole. The mission was a collaborative effort with contributions from NASA, which provided vital tracking support. Such partnerships underscore the universal nature of exploration, where nations unite to achieve common goals. Did you know that the Artemis Accords represent a new era of space cooperation? These principles, established by NASA and signed by multiple countries, outline guidelines for peaceful and sustainable lunar exploration. The Accords emphasize transparency, scientific collaboration, and the sharing of resources, paving the way for a future where nations work hand in hand on the Moon and beyond. Speaking of the Moon, the Lunar Gateway is a planned space station that will orbit the Moon, serving as a crucial stepping stone for future missions. This ambitious project involves partners from NASA, the European Space Agency JAXA, and the Canadian Space Agency. The Gateway will facilitate long-term lunar exploration and potentially serve as a launch pad for missions to Mars, embodying the spirit of international collaboration in venturing further into the solar system. Let me share a delightful fact about the small but mighty Luxembourg. This nation has emerged as a key player in space mining, with the vision of extracting valuable resources from asteroids. Luxembourg's government has partnered with international space companies to develop technologies needed for asteroid mining, showcasing how even smaller countries can make significant contributions to space exploration through strategic cooperation. Thinking about the future, the Artemis program, led by NASA, intends to land the first woman and the next man on the Moon by the mid-2020s. This bold initiative includes international partners and aims to establish a sustainable human presence on the lunar surface. By working together, countries can achieve monumental feats, setting the stage for humanity's continued exploration of the universe. While pondering these cooperative endeavors, remember the enduring partnership between NASA and the Russian space agency Roscosmos. Despite geopolitical tensions on Earth, these agencies have maintained a strong working relationship in space, particularly through the Soyuz program, which has been instrumental in transporting astronauts to and from the International Space Station. This collaboration is a reminder that space often serves as a bridge, connecting nations in pursuit of common aspirations. Lastly, let's not forget the cultural exchanges fostered by space cooperation. The International Space Station has hosted astronauts from around the globe, offering a unique environment for cultural dialogue and understanding. These interactions not only enhance scientific collaboration, but also promote peace and unity, reflecting the best of what humanity can achieve when working together. As you reflect on these surprising facts, let your imagination soar to the stars, filled with the hope and promise of what international cooperation can continue to achieve in the vast expanse of space. The remarkable story of space cooperation extends beyond the familiar partnerships. Did you know that the United Arab Emirates has been making strides in space exploration and fostering collaboration? Their Hope Mars mission, launched in 2020, was a significant milestone. It involved partnerships with American universities and space agencies to design and build the spacecraft. The mission aims to study the Martian atmosphere, showcasing how new players in the space arena can contribute to global scientific knowledge through cooperative efforts. Here's another intriguing aspect of international space endeavors: the Asteroid Impact and Deflection Assessment (AIDAA) mission. This ambitious project, a joint effort between NASA and the European Space Agency, seeks to test our ability to divert potentially hazardous asteroids. By working together, they plan to understand and mitigate the risks asteroids pose to Earth, highlighting how collaborative scientific pursuits can safeguard our planet. On the topic of celestial defense, let's talk about the Planetary Defense Coordination Office. It was established by NASA to coordinate efforts in tracking near-Earth objects. This initiative includes global cooperation, with observatories and space agencies worldwide contributing data and expertise. Such international partnerships are vital to developing a comprehensive planetary defense strategy, ensuring that humanity is prepared for any cosmic threats. Speaking of global participation, the International Charter on Space and Major Disasters is a collaboration among space agencies to provide satellite data in response to natural disasters. By pooling resources, these agencies offer critical support to affected regions, demonstrating the compassionate side of space cooperation. This charter embodies the spirit of using space technology for the greater good, helping communities around the world during times of need. You might find it interesting that the Global Precipitation Measurement Mission is another example of successful international collaboration. This joint mission between NASA and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency uses satellites to monitor global rainfall and improve weather forecasting. By sharing data and resources, they enhance our understanding of Earth's water cycle, showcasing how space cooperation can lead to tangible benefits for people worldwide. Have you heard about the African space initiatives? Several African nations are joining the global space community by developing their own space programs. These efforts often involve partnerships with countries like China, India, and the European Union. By building capacity and fostering international collaboration, African countries are taking significant steps toward harnessing space technology for sustainable development, illustrating that space is indeed a universal frontier. In the realm of satellite technology, the International Telecommunications Satellite Organization, known as Intelsat, is a fascinating example of global partnership. Founded by 11 countries in 1964, it has grown into a consortium of more than 100 nations. Intelsat provides communication services worldwide, connecting remote areas and facilitating international communication. This organization highlights how cooperation in space can drive technological advancements and improve global connectivity. Here's one more delightful fact. The Global Navigation Satellite System, a network of satellite systems like GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and Beidou, is a testament to international collaboration. These systems work together to provide precise location data, which is essential for everything from navigation to scientific research. The interoperability of these systems shows how nations can align their efforts for the benefit of all, creating a seamless web of technology enveloping our planet. Did you know that Antarctica serves as an ideal analog for space exploration? The harsh and isolated environment provides a perfect testing ground for space technologies. International teams conduct research there, simulating conditions on the Moon and Mars. This cooperation extends the boundaries of scientific exploration, preparing us for future missions in the solar system and underscoring the shared human drive to explore the unknown. The idea of satellite constellations brings us to the OneWeb initiative. This ambitious project involves launching hundreds of satellites to provide global internet coverage. The endeavor relies on contributions from multiple countries, including launch services from Russia and manufacturing expertise from the United States and Europe. OneWeb exemplifies how international collaboration in space can bridge digital divides and foster global connectivity. Lastly, let me share a surprising detail about the Asia-Pacific Space Cooperation Organization. This multilateral organization includes countries such as China, Pakistan, and Iran, working together on space projects. Their collaborative efforts range from satellite launches to space science research, demonstrating how regional cooperation can contribute to the larger global space community. Each of these stories reflects a facet of the remarkable tapestry of international space cooperation. As we gaze up at the stars, it's heartening to know that nations across the globe are committed to working together, pushing the boundaries of what is possible and unlocking the secrets of the universe. Let these tales inspire you, as they are reminders that despite our differences, we are united by our shared curiosity and aspiration to explore the cosmos. Did you know that space cooperation even extends to creating art? The European Space Agency, along with artists around the globe, has engaged in artistic projects to capture the beauty and mystery of space. These collaborations bridge the gap between science and art, fostering a deeper appreciation for the cosmos through creative expression. It's a reminder that space not only inspires scientific endeavors, but also touches our hearts and imaginations. Here's something you might not expect. There's a special relationship between space agencies and the fashion industry. Space-grade materials and designs have inspired fashion innovations, resulting in durable fabrics and cutting-edge styles. Collaborative efforts have led to the creation of clothing that can withstand extreme temperatures, much like the suits astronauts wear. This intersection of disciplines illustrates how space technologies can influence everyday life in unexpected ways. Speaking of creativity, did you know that the European Space Agency and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency collaborated on a mission to test the use of solar sail technology? This innovative approach involves harnessing sunlight to propel spacecraft, much like sailboats use the wind. The mission, named Icaros, successfully demonstrated the potential of solar sails, paving the way for future explorations to the farthest reaches of our solar system. In the realm of space health, international cooperation takes on another fascinating form. The International Space Station serves as a laboratory for studying the effects of microgravity on the human body. Researchers from various countries contribute to this ongoing project, sharing valuable insights into how space travel impacts health. These findings are not only crucial for future missions but also have applications in medicine here on Earth, enhancing our understanding of human physiology. Have you ever wondered about space debris? It's a significant concern for international space efforts. To address this, agencies worldwide are collaborating on solutions. The European Space Agency has initiated the Clean Space Initiative, aiming to reduce the environmental impact of space missions. They focus on designing satellites that minimize debris and developing methods to safely remove existing debris from orbit. This cooperative approach underscores the commitment to preserving space as a resource for future generations. A fascinating aspect of space cooperation is the involvement of private companies. Enterprises like SpaceX and Blue Origin work alongside national space agencies to advance space exploration. These partnerships have led to new technologies and reduced costs, accelerating the pace of space travel. By leveraging the strengths of both public and private sectors, humanity is moving closer to achieving goals once thought impossible, such as human settlements on other celestial bodies. Did you know that international space cooperation extends to space law? The United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs plays a pivotal role in facilitating discussions among countries to develop guidelines for the peaceful use of outer space. These discussions cover topics like space traffic management and the prevention of an arms race in space. By establishing a legal framework, nations ensure that space remains a domain of exploration and discovery for all humankind. Here's an inspiring fact. Space cooperation also involves educational programs that ignite the imagination of young minds. Programs like the Global Learning and Observations to Benefit the Environment, GOLB, bring students from different countries together to participate in scientific research. By sharing data and collaborating on projects, students gain a deeper understanding of Earth sciences and the importance of international teamwork. This initiative nurtures the next generation of scientists and innovators who will continue to explore the universe. The concept of open-source software has found a home in space exploration too. The European Space Agency and NASA have both released software that allows developers worldwide to contribute to space projects. This collaborative approach accelerates technological advancements and democratizes access to space-related tools, fostering a global community of innovation. Another intriguing collaboration is the Lunar Gateway project, an international effort to build a space station orbiting the Moon. Partners including NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency are working together to make this vision a reality. The Gateway will serve as a stepping stone for future lunar missions and a platform for international scientific research, demonstrating the power of pooling resources and expertise for ambitious endeavors. Did you know that satellites are being used internationally to monitor environmental changes? The European Space Agency's Climate Change Initiative and NASA's Earth Science Division collaborate by sharing satellite data to study phenomena such as deforestation and ice melt. These efforts provide critical insights into the effects of climate change, guiding global policies and actions to protect our planet for future generations. Finally, consider the role of international cooperation in the search for extraterrestrial life. The Square Kilometre Array, an astronomical observatory being developed in Australia and South Africa, is a project involving over 100 organizations from more than 20 countries. This global effort aims to explore the universe and search for signals that could indicate the presence of life beyond Earth, showcasing the shared human quest to answer one of our most profound questions. Each of these stories reflects the extraordinary and often surprising ways in which nations collaborate in the pursuit of space exploration. The spirit of cooperation transcends borders, encouraging us to dream bigger and reach further into the cosmos. As you drift into a peaceful slumber, let these tales of unity and discovery fill your thoughts, reminding you of the endless possibilities that lie beyond the stars. International space cooperation is a tapestry woven with threads of innovation, diplomacy, and shared curiosity. One fascinating aspect of this collaboration is the role of the Committee on Space Research, COSPA. This organization, established in 1958, aims to facilitate the free exchange of results, information, and opinions in space research. By bringing together scientists from all around the globe, COSPA fosters an environment of open dialogue and mutual advancement. Imagine the power of shared information on a cosmic scale. The global positioning system, which you might rely on for navigation in daily life, is a prime example of international cooperation in space. Originally developed by the United States, this constellation of satellites now benefits from supplementary systems like the Russian GLONASS and the European Galileo, enhancing accuracy and reliability worldwide. These systems illustrate how collaboration transcends national boundaries to improve global technology. Speaking of satellites, did you know that the Sentinel satellites, part of the European Union's Copernicus program, this initiative not only supports environmental monitoring and disaster management, but also invites participation from countries and organizations around the world, creating a shared resource for tackling global challenges. Another intriguing fact is the joint mission between NASA and the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration, along with the European partners, to launch the JASON series of satellites. These missions have been crucial in understanding sea level rise, offering insights into climate change impacts. Such collaborations highlight how nations can combine resources to address vital issues affecting the entire planet. The realm of space weather is another area where international cooperation is essential. Space weather refers to the environmental conditions in space as influenced by the sun. Agencies like NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency work together to monitor solar activities, sharing data to protect satellites and power grids on Earth from solar storms. This teamwork ensures that potential disruptions to our technology-dependent lives are minimized. Did you know that international efforts are paving the way for future Mars exploration? The Mars Sample Return Mission is a collaborative venture between NASA and the European Space Agency, aiming to collect samples from the Martian surface and return them to Earth for analysis. This ambitious project underscores the shared human desire to explore our neighboring planet and unlock its secrets. You might find it fascinating that even the preservation of space history involves international cooperation. The International Space Station, a symbol of peaceful partnership, contains a module named Harmony. This module, built by the European Space Agency, connects various parts of the station and exemplifies the spirit of unity that defines space exploration efforts. It's a reminder that even in the vastness of space, nations can come together to create something greater than the sum of their parts. In the world of astronomy, the Atacama Large Millimeter/Submillimeter Array, or ALMA, is a testament to global collaboration. Located in Chile, ALMA is a partnership between Europe, North America, and East Asia. This observatory allows astronomers to peer into the universe with unprecedented detail, expanding our knowledge of distant galaxies and the building blocks of life. On another note, the Artemis program, led by NASA with support from international partners, aims to return humans to the Moon and establish a sustainable presence there by the end of this decade. Countries like Canada, Japan, and members of the European Space Agency have joined forces in this endeavor, providing technology and expertise to make lunar exploration a reality once more. Interestingly, space cooperation also extends to the realm of engineering and manufacturing. For instance, the International Space Station's Canadarm2 is a robotic arm provided by the Canadian Space Agency, crucial for maintaining the station and capturing visiting spacecraft. This contribution highlights how different countries can offer unique technological solutions to support collaborative missions. Did you know that the giant Magellan telescope, currently under construction in Chile, is another example of international teamwork? The United States, Australia, Brazil, and South Korea are among the countries collaborating on this project. Once completed, it will allow us to explore the universe's earliest galaxies and search for planets around other stars, pushing the boundaries of our cosmic understanding. In the field of space science, the International Lunar Research Station is a future prospect that involves countries such as Russia and China. This initiative plans to establish a base on the Moon for scientific research, emphasizing how nations can unite to expand our presence beyond Earth. And here's something truly innovative. The European Space Agency is working on a project called HERA, which will cooperate with NASA's DART mission to test asteroid deflection techniques. This joint effort is part of planetary defense strategies to protect Earth from potential asteroid impacts, showcasing how international collaboration can address existential challenges. Lastly, did you know that global cooperation has even reached the realm of space agriculture? The veggie experiment on the International Space Station, involving partners like NASA and the European Space Agency, explores growing plants in microgravity. These studies will inform future long-duration missions and could lead to sustainable food production in space. The beauty of international space cooperation lies in its ability to bring diverse nations together, driven by a shared vision of exploring the cosmos. Each of these collaborative endeavors not only advances our scientific and technological frontiers, but also fosters a spirit of unity and peace as we journey among the stars. As you settle in for the night, let these stories of global camaraderie inspire dreams of what humanity can accomplish when we come together with a common purpose. Let me take you on a journey through stories of how the vastness of space has become a canvas for international collaboration. Imagine this: a group of scientists from various countries gathering around a table to discuss the mysteries of the cosmos, each bringing their unique expertise. This is happening with the Square Kilometre Array project, one of the most ambitious radio telescope endeavors yet. Spanning across Australia and South Africa, it involves over 10 countries working together to unlock the secrets of the universe, such as the formation of galaxies and the nature of dark matter. Isn't it remarkable how the curiosity of humanity transcends borders? Speaking of pushing boundaries, the Lunar Gateway, a planned space station that will orbit the Moon, is a collaborative effort between NASA, the European Space Agency, Canada, and Japan. This outpost will serve as a staging point for lunar exploration and potentially for deeper space missions. By pooling resources and knowledge, these nations are setting the stage for a new era of space exploration, where the Moon becomes a stepping stone to the stars. Now consider the Hubble Space Telescope, a marvel of engineering and an icon of scientific discovery. Its success is a result of cooperation between NASA and the European Space Agency. This partnership has enabled discoveries that have reshaped our understanding of the universe, from the age of the cosmos to the discovery of exoplanets. It's a shining example of how two continents can combine efforts to achieve extraordinary scientific breakthroughs. Here's something you might find intriguing: the International Charter on Space and Major Disasters. This initiative brings together space agencies from around the world to provide satellite data during natural or man-made disasters. It exemplifies how space technology can serve humanity directly, offering critical information to aid in disaster response and recovery efforts. Isn't it comforting to know that in times of crisis, the world can come together to offer a helping hand? And did you know that the European Space Agency's Rosetta mission, which famously landed on a comet, was supported by contributions from several nations across Europe and beyond? This mission provided invaluable insights into the early solar system and inspired a new generation of scientists and engineers. The collaborative spirit behind Rosetta shows how shared goals can lead to historic achievements in space exploration. Turning our eyes to Mars. The ExoMars program is a joint effort by the European Space Agency and Roscosmos, the Russian space agency. This mission aims to search for signs of past life on Mars by analyzing the planet's surface and subsurface. Isn't it fascinating how these countries have united in the quest to answer one of humanity's most profound questions? Are we alone in the universe? As we continue, let's explore the realm of satellite navigation. The Galileo program, Europe's global navigation satellite system, was developed with international partnerships and provides precise positioning services worldwide. By collaborating with other countries, Europe has established an independent navigation system that complements existing ones like GPS, enhancing global connectivity. On a different note, the James Webb Space Telescope, set to be the successor to Hubble, represents a multinational collaboration led by NASA, with significant contributions from the European Space Agency and the Canadian Space Agency. This advanced observatory will peer deeper into space than ever before, revealing the early stages of star and galaxy formation. It's an exciting time for astronomy, with countries coming together to expand our knowledge of the universe. Did you know that the Indian Space Research Organization, or ISRO, has become a key player in the realm of international space cooperation? By providing affordable satellite launch services for countries around the world, ISRO has fostered partnerships that allow even smaller nations to access space technology. This democratization of space means that more voices can contribute to our understanding of the cosmos. And here's a captivating fact: the international scientific community is collaborating on a project called SKA Observatory, which stands for Square Kilometer Array. This massive radio telescope network, involving countries from all continents, aims to explore cosmic phenomena such as black holes and the origins of the universe. It's a testament to what can be achieved when the world unites in pursuit of knowledge. Speaking of unity, the International Astronomical Union, a global organization of professional astronomers, plays a vital role in fostering international cooperation in the field. This organization coordinates efforts to name celestial objects, establish standards in astronomy, and promote global scientific collaboration. In a world where the night sky belongs to everyone, The union ensures that all voices are heard in the naming and understanding of the universe. And finally, let's drift back to the International Space Station for a moment. This incredible feat of engineering and diplomacy is a joint venture involving 15 nations, from scientific experiments to technological demonstrations. The ISS remains a platform where countries work together in the pursuit of knowledge and progress. It's a shining beacon of what humanity can achieve when we set aside differences and look to the stars. As you let these stories settle in your mind, consider the vast potential that lies ahead in the field of international space cooperation. Each of these endeavors reflects the shared human spirit that drives us to explore, discover, and understand our place in the universe. With imaginations fueled by curiosity and a commitment to collaboration, there's no limit to what we can achieve together. Let's imagine for a moment a scenario where nations around the globe come together to protect our planet from threats beyond Earth. This is not just a dream, but a reality through the Planetary Defense Coordination Office, a collaborative initiative led by NASA. This office works with international partners to detect and monitor near-Earth objects, such as asteroids, that could pose a danger to our planet. It's fascinating to think about how scientists worldwide are pooling their knowledge and resources to safeguard our world from celestial hazards. Now let me tell you about a unique mission that highlights the power of international collaboration. The Chang'e Lunar Program, spearheaded by China, involved cooperation with space agencies across Europe, South America, and Africa. These partnerships provided support in tracking and communication, crucial for the program's success. Isn't it remarkable how these global alliances help in unraveling the mysteries of our moon? As we delve deeper into space, let's turn our attention to the global efforts in tackling space debris. Did you know that space agencies like ESA, NASA, and JAXA are working together on projects to clear the growing clutter in Earth's orbit? This debris poses a significant risk to satellites and the International Space Station. With joint efforts, these agencies are pioneering innovative solutions to ensure the safety and sustainability of space activities. Imagine a future where our skies are pristine, all thanks to international cooperation. Have you heard about the Global Precipitation Measurement Mission? This mission, a joint operation between NASA and JAXA, is designed to improve our understanding of Earth's water cycle by measuring precipitation worldwide. The data gathered is invaluable for weather forecasting and studying climate change. It's a testament to how sharing technology and expertise can enhance our ability to respond to global challenges. Speaking of technology, let's talk about the European Space Agency's Copernicus program, one of the most ambitious Earth observation initiatives to date. With contributions from countries across Europe and beyond, Copernicus provides essential data for environmental monitoring, disaster response, and climate research. The collaboration ensures that this critical information is accessible to all, empowering nations to make informed decisions about our planet's future. And here's something fascinating. The Russian space agency, Roscosmos, has long collaborated with international partners on various space missions. One notable example is the Arctic Observation Program. By working together, countries can gather comprehensive data needed to tackle the pressing issues of climate change and environmental protection. Did you know that the International Lunar Research Station, a proposed joint venture between Russia and China, aims to establish a sustainable human presence on the moon? This project exemplifies the spirit of collaboration, as it invites participation from other nations and commercial entities. Imagine a future where the lunar surface becomes a vibrant hub of scientific discovery and technological innovation, reflecting the united efforts of the global community. Turning our focus to space education, let me share the story of the Global Learning and Observations to Benefit the Environment, or GLOBE, program. This international partnership, involving NASA and over 100 countries, engages students in collecting and analyzing environmental data. It's an inspiring example of how space agencies can foster the next generation of scientists by igniting curiosity and promoting hands-on learning experiences. Have you ever wondered how space agencies collaborate on human spaceflight? The Artemis program, led by NASA, aims to return humans to the moon and beyond. This ambitious initiative involves international partners such as the European Space Agency to develop key components like the Orion spacecraft. By working together, these agencies are paving the way for a future where humans can live and work sustainably on other celestial bodies. Speaking of celestial exploration, the Cassini-Huygens mission, a collaboration between NASA, ESA, and the Italian Space Agency, was a groundbreaking venture that explored Saturn and its moons. The wealth of data collected has transformed our understanding of these distant worlds and continues to inspire new generations of astronomers and planetary scientists. Let's not forget about the global cooperation in maintaining and advancing the global space-based intercalibration system. This initiative, involving agencies such as NOAA, EUMETACT, and CMA, ensures that satellites around the world provide consistent and reliable meteorological data. It's a crucial effort that enhances our ability to monitor weather patterns and respond to natural disasters. In the realm of telecommunications, the International Telecommunications Union plays a vital role in coordinating global satellite communication networks. This organization brings countries together to manage the radio frequency spectrum. It's comforting to know that, even in the vast expanse of space, there's a commitment to fair and efficient use of resources for the benefit of all humanity. Isn't it intriguing how these collaborative efforts shape our future in space? Each initiative, whether it's protecting our planet or exploring new worlds, underscores the importance of unity in the face of cosmic challenges. As you ponder these stories, let them kindle a sense of wonder about what we can achieve together as one global community. Let's take a moment to explore how the pursuit of universal time standards has brought space agencies together. The Bureau International des Poids et Mesures, in collaboration with space organizations worldwide, helps maintain coordinated universal time, a crucial element for synchronizing activities in space and on Earth. This collaboration ensures that missions, regardless of their origin, operate seamlessly within a unified framework of timekeeping. Isn't it intriguing how precise time can bridge continents and orbits alike? Speaking of time, did you know the International Space Station, ISS, a marvel of international engineering, revolves around Earth every 90 minutes? The ISS is a perfect example of global cooperation, involving 15 countries and multiple space agencies, including NASA, Roscosmos, ESA, JAXA, and the Canadian Space Agency. It's fascinating to think about how scientists and astronauts from different parts of the world live and work together in harmony amidst the stars. While we're on the topic of the ISS, the station serves as a unique platform for scientific research that benefits all of humanity. Experiments conducted there have led to advances in materials science, biology, and medicine. International partnerships ensure that the research findings are shared globally, enhancing our collective knowledge and technological prowess. Isn't it remarkable how knowledge gained in zero gravity finds its way to improving life here on Earth? Now, let's consider planetary defense. The Asteroid Impact and Deflection Assessment Mission, or AIDA, is a cooperative effort between ESA and NASA to test methods of altering the course of an asteroid. This mission exemplifies how international collaboration can be pivotal in protecting our planet from potential cosmic threats. It's comforting to know that scientists around the world are working together to safeguard our future. In a similar vein, the Chelyabinsk meteor event in Russia sparked a surge in international cooperation for monitoring near-Earth objects. Space agencies have since united their efforts to enhance early warning systems, highlighting how a shared goal can mitigate future risks. It's a promising testament to collective vigilance and proactive measures in space. Let's also appreciate how international collaborations extend to the study of our Sun. The Parker Solar Probe, a NASA mission with significant contributions from ESA, aims to unravel the secrets of the Sun's corona. By working together, these agencies enhance our understanding of solar phenomena, which is crucial for predicting space weather that can affect Earth's technological systems. Have you ever wondered about the role of smaller nations in space exploration? Luxembourg, despite its size, has made significant strides in fostering international space mining initiatives. By collaborating with countries and private companies, Luxembourg is pioneering efforts to extract resources from asteroids, highlighting the diverse contributions of nations in the cosmic arena. It's heartening to note that international partnerships also focus on education and outreach. The Space Generation Advisory Council, supported by the United Nations, engages students and young professionals worldwide in space policy discussions. By empowering the next generation, these initiatives ensure that the future of space exploration is inclusive and forward-thinking. Considering the importance of radio astronomy, did you know that the Square Kilometre Array project involves over 10 countries working together to build the world's largest radio telescope? This initiative, spanning continents, will revolutionize our understanding of the universe by probing the skies with unparalleled precision. It's a breathtaking example of the heights we can reach when united by a common vision. In the realm of lunar exploration, the Lunar Gateway, an international space station planned for orbit around the Moon, promises to be the next milestone in human spaceflight. NASA, ESA, Roscosmos, JAXA, and the Canadian Space Agency are all contributing to this endeavor, which will serve as a stepping stone for future missions to Mars and beyond. Can you imagine the possibilities when humanity stands together on the threshold of new worlds? Speaking of Mars, the ExoMars program, a collaboration between ESA and Roscosmos, aims to search for signs of past life on the Red Planet. This mission highlights the synergies achieved when nations combine their technological expertise and scientific curiosity to explore the unknown. It's inspiring to think about what we might discover as we join forces to unravel the mysteries of Mars. On a lighter note, did you know that astronauts aboard the ISS often enjoy meals with ingredients sourced from their home countries? This practice not only provides comfort, but also celebrates the diverse cultures represented in space. It's a delightful reminder of how shared experiences, even in orbit, can bring people closer together. Turning our gaze back to Earth, the International Charter on Space and Major Disasters is a collaboration that provides satellite data during emergencies. This initiative, involving space agencies from around the globe, has been instrumental in responding to natural disasters by offering timely information for rescue and relief efforts. It's a powerful example of how space technology can be harnessed for humanitarian aid. Lastly, let's not overlook the efforts in developing sustainable space exploration practices. The Moon Village concept, proposed by ESA, envisions an open platform for lunar activities where countries and companies can collaborate for peaceful purposes. Such initiatives underscore the potential for space to be a realm of shared dreams and aspirations. As you reflect on these incredible stories of collaboration, think about the boundless possibilities that arise when we reach for the stars together. The sky, quite literally, is no longer the limit when the global community unites in the pursuit of knowledge and exploration. Let's delve deeper into the incredible fabric of international space cooperation. Did you know that the European Space Agency, often known for its technological prowess, collaborates with a wide array of countries beyond its own member states? For instance, Argentina's National Commission on Space Activities partnered with ESA on the SEOCOM satellite mission, which focuses on Earth observation. This collaboration bridges continents and showcases how diverse nations can contribute to a common goal. Here's something fascinating. The James Webb Space Telescope, often regarded as the next great observatory after Hubble, is a collaborative effort between NASA, ESA, and the Canadian Space Agency. Each agency brings its unique expertise, making this telescope a testament to shared scientific ambition. What's particularly amazing is how these space agencies share the telescope's observation time among scientists from all over the world, ensuring a truly global reach in astronomical research. Speaking of shared resources, the Global Precipitation Measurement Mission is another example of collaboration that transcends national borders. This joint mission between NASA and JAXA provides critical data on global precipitation, helping scientists better understand climate patterns and natural disasters. Imagine how satellite data from this mission supports farmers, disaster responders, and researchers worldwide in making informed decisions. And here's a heartwarming fact. International collaboration extends even to the final frontier of communication. The Deep Space Network, primarily operated by NASA, receives support from ground stations in Spain and Australia. These facilities are integral in maintaining contact with spacecraft exploring distant realms, illustrating how vital partnerships are in keeping interstellar lines open. Another remarkable endeavor is the development of the space debris tracking initiatives. As our skies become more cluttered with remnants of past missions, agencies from around the world, including the United States, Europe, and Japan, are pooling their resources to track and mitigate space debris. This global effort is crucial in preserving the space environment for future generations. Turning to the Moon, the Chang'e missions by the China National Space Administration have seen China collaborate with various countries in exchanging data and instruments. For instance, the Chang'e missions have carried payloads from other countries, fostering a spirit of cooperation in lunar research. Isn't it intriguing how even competition can lead to collaboration in the vastness of space? Now, let's discuss space policy. The Outer Space Treaty of 1967, signed by over 100 countries, remains a cornerstone of international space law. This treaty, which prohibits the placement of nuclear weapons in space and promotes peaceful exploration, is a prime example of global consensus on the fundamental principles governing outer space activities. Another inspiring initiative is the Earth Observation for Sustainable Development Initiative. This project involves multiple European and African countries working together to harness satellite data for sustainable management of natural resources in Africa. By sharing technology and expertise, these nations are contributing to a brighter, healthier future for the continent. A lesser-known, yet equally important collaboration is the International Space Exploration Coordination Group. This consortium of over 14 space agencies worldwide coordinates planning and development of future space missions. By aligning their efforts, these agencies ensure that resources are used efficiently, minimizing duplication and maximizing scientific outputs. Speaking of efficiency, the Artemis Accords are a set of principles for lunar exploration signed by countries like the United States, Australia, and Japan to ensure peaceful and transparent endeavors on the Moon. These accords represent a new era of collaboration in space, setting the stage for cooperative lunar activities that benefit humanity. Let me share another surprising fact. The Quasi-Zenith Satellite System, a regional navigation satellite system developed by Japan, collaborates with the United States Global Positioning System to improve navigation accuracy in the Asia-Pacific region. This partnership enhances the precision of location-based services, showcasing how international cooperation can lead to technological advancements with tangible benefits. In the realm of education, the Copernicus Masters Competition, supported by ESA and other partners, encourages innovation in using Earth observation data. This global contest invites participants from all over the world to propose solutions to pressing global challenges, fostering creativity and collaboration in young minds. Have you ever considered how even extraterrestrial life is a topic of joint interest? The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, although historically independent, has seen cooperation in terms of data sharing and scientific exchange among countries. The thought of different nations coming together in the quest to answer one of humanity's oldest questions is indeed awe-inspiring. Finally, the Global Space Weather Roadmap, a collaborative effort among multiple countries, aims to enhance our understanding and prediction of space weather events. These efforts are critical in protecting satellites and ground-based technologies from disruptive solar activities. By uniting their scientific findings, countries are better equipped to safeguard technological infrastructures that are vital to modern life. As we explore these profound stories of international space cooperation, it becomes evident that the universe offers limitless opportunities for collaboration. Each joint endeavor not only furthers our understanding of the cosmos, but also strengthens the ties that bind nations across earthly boundaries. So as you drift into a gentle slumber, let your dreams be filled with visions of shared exploration and cosmic unity, where the possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. Let me share something interesting. The International Space Station, a marvel of engineering and international collaboration, has been continuously inhabited for over 2 decades. Its construction involved contributions from countries like the United States, Russia, Japan, Canada, and members of the European Space Agency. This floating laboratory orbits the Earth at incredible speeds, providing a unique platform for scientific research that is only possible in microgravity. Astonishingly, the space station's maintenance and supply missions are a shared effort, showcasing humanity's ability to work together beyond our planet's boundaries. Did you know that the European Space Agency and Russia's space agency Roscosmos, this ambitious project, aims to search for signs of past life on Mars and understand the history of water on the Red Planet? By combining European and Russian expertise, the mission represents a significant step forward in our quest to unravel the mysteries of Mars, highlighting how diverse teams can unite to achieve groundbreaking discoveries. Here's a fascinating fact. India and France have a long-standing partnership in space, working together on various satellite missions. Their collaboration includes joint ventures like the Megatropic satellite, which studies tropical weather patterns and improves our understanding of climate change. This partnership demonstrates how countries can pool resources and knowledge to tackle global challenges, benefiting not just the partnering nations, but the entire world. The collaboration between South Korea and Russia on the Korean Pathfinder lunar orbiter is another inspiring example of international cooperation in space. This mission aims to map the Moon's surface using advanced technology. By sharing expertise and technology, these countries are contributing to the broader goal of understanding our nearest celestial neighbor. Have you ever imagined what it would be like to have a truly global satellite navigation system? The European Union's Galileo system collaborates with the United States Global Positioning System, Russia's GLONASS, and China's Beidou to provide seamless navigation services worldwide. This interconnected network enhances the accuracy and reliability of positioning services, illustrating how nations can work together to create a unified system that benefits everyone. Speaking of navigation, did you know that the United Kingdom and India have joined forces on the NavIC satellite navigation system? This collaboration enhances regional navigation capabilities, particularly in the Indian subcontinent. By working together, these countries are advancing navigation technology and improving services that support everything from agriculture to emergency response. Let's consider the collaboration between Israel and Italy on the Shalom mission. This Earth observation project combines the technological strengths of both nations to monitor environmental changes and natural resources. By leveraging their combined expertise, Israel and Italy are making significant contributions to sustainable development and environmental conservation on a global scale. And here's an intriguing fact about space exploration. The United Arab Emirates and Japan have partnered on the Emirates Mars mission. The UAE's Hope probe, launched with Japan's support, is the first interplanetary mission undertaken by an Arab country. This partnership not only advances scientific knowledge, but also promotes cultural exchange and understanding between nations, paving the way for future collaborations. In the realm of space education, the Global Learning and Observations to Benefit the Environment program, or GLOBE, invites students, teachers, and scientists from over 100 countries to participate in hands-on Earth science research. This initiative, supported by NASA and various international partners, fosters a global community of citizen scientists who contribute valuable data and insights to our understanding of the planet. Here's a surprising twist in space cooperation. The International Asteroid Warning Network and the Space Mission Planning Advisory Group unite agencies like NASA and ESA to detect and mitigate potential asteroid threats. This coordinated effort reflects the global nature of planetary defense, emphasizing the importance of collaboration in safeguarding Earth from cosmic hazards. The joint venture between Brazil and China on the China-Brazil Earth Resources Satellite Program is another testament to successful international collaboration. These satellites provide critical data for environmental monitoring, urban planning, and agriculture, showcasing how two countries can leverage their strengths to achieve common goals that address pressing global issues. Turning to the realm of astrobiology, the European Space Agency's Rosetta mission included collaborations with scientists worldwide to study Comet 67P/Churyumov-Gerasimenko. This mission revealed new insights into the building blocks of life and the history of our solar system, demonstrating how international teamwork can lead to profound scientific breakthroughs. Have you ever wondered about the synergy between art and space? The Kibo Robotic Programming Challenge, a collaboration between Japan and various Asian countries, invites students to program robots aboard the International Space Station. This unique initiative not only sparks interest in science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, but also nurtures creativity and innovation among the next generation of space explorers. Speaking of creativity, the International Space University, founded in 1987, brings together students and professionals from different countries to study space science and policy. This unique institution fosters international collaboration and understanding, preparing future leaders to tackle the challenges of space exploration with a global perspective. As we immerse ourselves in these stories of shared achievements and aspirations, it's remarkable how cooperation in space transcends borders and unites us in the pursuit of knowledge. Each fact we've explored tonight is a testament to what we can achieve when we work together, inspiring dreams of a united humanity reaching for the stars. Let me share something intriguing about the realm of space cooperation. Did you know that Canada has long been a pioneer in space robotics technology? The country's contributions to the International Space Station include the development of the Canadarm and Canadarm2. These robotic arms have become indispensable for construction and maintenance tasks in space, showcasing how Canadian innovation plays a vital role in international missions. It's fascinating to think about how such technology, born in one nation, becomes a crucial tool for a collective human endeavor. Here's another surprising tidbit. Luxembourg, a small European nation, has been a forward-thinking player in space mining. In collaboration with various international partners, Luxembourg is investing in the exploration of space resources such as asteroids. This bold initiative aims to pave the way for the use of space resources, which could one day support sustainable space exploration and benefit humanity back on Earth. Can you imagine a future where the raw materials for building space habitats are mined from asteroids? Speaking of resources, let's delve into the unique collaboration between the European Space Agency and Japan on the Bepi-Colombo mission. This mission is a joint effort to explore the planet Mercury and is packed with instruments designed by scientists from across Europe and Japan. This partnership highlights how the pooling of diverse expertise can enhance our understanding of the innermost planet in our solar system and unravel the mysteries of its extreme environment. Shifting to the realm of satellite technology, did you know that Argentina and Italy have collaborated on the SOCOM satellite missions? These satellites are equipped with advanced radar technology to monitor Earth's surface in all weather conditions. By working together, these nations are enhancing our ability to study natural disasters and climate phenomena, thereby contributing to global safety and environmental protection. Here's something that might surprise you: the unique collaboration between New Zealand and NASA on the Electron rocket. This small, agile rocket is designed to launch small satellites into orbit, and New Zealand's contribution to this effort emphasizes the growing role of smaller nations in space exploration. It's a wonderful example of how even nations without large space agencies can make significant contributions to our understanding of space. In the world of space medicine, did you know that Germany and the United States collaborate on research conducted aboard the International Space Station? Scientists from both countries work together to study the effects of microgravity on the human body, research that is crucial for future long-duration space missions. This cooperation not only advances our knowledge of human health in space. Here's another surprising facet of collaboration: the partnership between the European Space Agency and Russia in the development of the Solar Orbiter mission. This spacecraft is designed to study the Sun up close, helping us understand the solar phenomena that affect space weather, which in turn influences life on our planet. The joint efforts in this mission reflect the shared interest in unlocking the secrets of our closest star. Let's take a moment to appreciate the cultural exchange fostered by space cooperation. Did you know that South Africa and Russia have worked together on the Radio Astron mission? This collaboration connects radio telescopes across continents to create a virtual telescope as large as Earth itself. Such an endeavor not only pushes the boundaries of our technological capabilities, but also brings together scientists from diverse backgrounds to study the universe. Here's something that might catch you by surprise. The partnership between the United Arab Emirates and South Korea on developing space technologies and launching satellites. This collaboration extends to educational exchanges and joint research projects, illustrating how countries can work together to build a robust space industry and inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers. Consider the global effort behind the Square Kilometre Array, a massive radio telescope project involving over 10 countries, including Australia, South Africa, and members of the European Union. This ambitious project aims to answer fundamental questions about the universe, such as the formation of galaxies and the nature of dark matter. The cooperation across continents for this project exemplifies how the pursuit of knowledge transcends national borders. On a more practical note, did you know that Japan and Brazil have collaborated on the development of the Amazonia 1 satellite? This Earth observation satellite plays a crucial role in monitoring deforestation in the Amazon rainforest, highlighting how international partnerships can address pressing environmental issues. Another fascinating aspect of space cooperation is the International COSPAS-SARSAT program, a satellite-based search and rescue initiative supported by countries like Canada, France, Russia, and the United States. This system has saved thousands of lives by providing distress alert and location information to search and rescue services worldwide. It's heartening to know that nations can come together to create systems that prioritize human safety and well-being. Have you ever wondered about space law? The United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs, based in Vienna, works with countries around the world to develop international space law and policies. This global cooperation ensures that space activities are conducted responsibly, fostering peaceful use and exploration of outer space for the benefit of all humanity. In the realm of space education, there's the International Space Camp, which brings together students and educators from various countries to engage in hands-on learning experiences. This initiative encourages international exchange and collaboration, nurturing a global community of future space explorers. Lastly, let's marvel at the multinational collaboration behind the International Mars Ice Mapper mission, involving agencies like NASA, the Canadian Space Agency, and others. This mission aims to map subsurface ice deposits on Mars, data that is crucial for planning human missions to the Red Planet. It's a beautiful reminder of how countries can unite to prepare for humanity's future beyond Earth. As we journey through these stories of international space cooperation, it's clear that no single country can tackle the challenges of space exploration alone. Each partnership we've explored is a testament to the power of collaboration, illustrating how diverse perspectives and shared goals can unlock the mysteries of the cosmos and bring us closer as a global community. Imagine looking up at the moon and knowing it was once the focus of intense rivalry, yet today it stands as a symbol of cooperation. The Artemis program, led by NASA, is a shining example of international collaboration. This program aims to return humans to the moon, with the goal of establishing a sustainable human presence. Countries such as Canada, Japan, and members of the European Space Agency are contributing their unique expertise, from robotics and life support systems to scientific research, showcasing how far we've come from the space race. to a united effort for exploration. Speaking of lunar endeavors, did you know that India and the United States are working together on the NASA-ISRO Synthetic Aperture Radar (NISAR) mission? This satellite will measure changes in Earth's land and ice surfaces, aiding in understanding seismic activities and the impacts of climate change. It's a stellar example of how partnerships can enhance technological capabilities and provide critical data for environmental management. In the realm of Earth observation, the Sentinel missions of the European Union's Copernicus program are noteworthy. The program benefits from cooperation with the United States, which provides access to its Landsat data. This collaboration allows for a more comprehensive view of our planet, helping monitor global landscapes and assess environmental changes. The blending of European and American technologies highlights the mutual benefits of sharing space-based resources. Let me share an intriguing collaboration between China and Brazil. The China-Brazil Earth Resources Satellite (CBERS) program represents decades of partnership. This initiative produces satellites for Earth observation, supplying crucial data for agriculture, forestry, water management, and environmental monitoring. Their long-standing cooperation underscores the potential of international synergy in the field of space technology and data sharing. Here's a fascinating detail. The European Space Agency and Japan have joined forces on the Bepi-Colombo mission to Mercury. The mission is designed to study Mercury's magnetic field and surface, providing insights into the planet closest to the Sun. This collaboration combines European engineering with Japanese spacecraft technology, illustrating the complex tapestry of skills and resources required for deep space exploration. In an interesting partnership, the United Arab Emirates and India have signed agreements focusing on space science, technology, and education. This cooperation includes launching joint missions and sharing expertise, an endeavor that strengthens both nations' capabilities in the space arena and fosters technological advancement across borders. Speaking of cross-border initiatives, consider the Space Climate Observatory, an international consortium launched by France. This initiative involves multiple countries working together to use satellite data for monitoring climate change. They aim to provide insights into the impacts of climate change on a global scale, demonstrating the collective responsibility of nations in addressing planetary challenges. Here's an intriguing piece of trivia. Luxembourg and the United States have established a partnership focused on space mining. The two countries are exploring the commercial potential of extracting resources from asteroids, a venture that could revolutionize space exploration and industry. This collaboration signifies a shared vision for the future of space commerce and the utilization of extraterrestrial resources. Did you know that Poland and the United States collaborate on the development of space weather forecasting? Their joint efforts aim to improve the prediction of solar storms and their impacts on satellite and communication systems. This international partnership enhances global resilience against space weather threats, safeguarding technology and infrastructure on Earth. An often overlooked area of cooperation is the Global Navigation Satellite System. The European Union's Galileo program, Russia's GLONASS, China's Beidou, and the United States' GPS all work in tandem to provide more accurate and reliable navigation services worldwide. This coordination ensures that navigation systems are interoperable, benefiting people and industries globally. Let's delve into another area of collaboration: space debris management. The issue of space debris is a growing concern, and countries like the United States, Japan, and the European Union are collaborating on developing technologies to track and mitigate debris. This effort protects both satellites and crewed spacecraft, emphasizing the importance of international cooperation in maintaining a sustainable space environment. In the field of astrobiology, the search for life beyond Earth is a mission that transcends borders. The European Space Agency, NASA, and Russia have cooperated on missions like ExoMars, which seeks signs of past life on the Red Planet. By pooling resources and scientific expertise, these agencies enhance the likelihood of answering one of humanity's most profound questions: are we alone in the universe? Consider the collaborative development of the James Webb Space Telescope, a project involving NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. This next-generation telescope is set to explore the universe's first galaxies, stars, and planets, promising to revolutionize our understanding of the cosmos. Its development illustrates how shared goals can lead to technological marvels, pushing the boundaries of human knowledge. On a more humanitarian note, space cooperation extends to disaster response efforts. The International Charter on Space and Major Disasters is an agreement among space agencies to provide satellite data to countries affected by natural disasters. This initiative, supported by agencies like the Indian Space Research Organization and the European Space Agency, exemplifies how the power of space technology can be harnessed for the greater good, offering timely aid and support in times of crisis. As we unravel these stories of collaboration, it's clear that international space cooperation weaves a rich tapestry of shared dreams and aspirations. Each partnership is a testament to the idea that when countries unite, the possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. Let me tell you about the European-Russian collaboration on the Soyuz launch vehicle. You might be surprised to learn that the European Space Agency uses Russian Soyuz rockets to launch its satellites into space from French Guiana. This unusual pairing combines Russian expertise in launch vehicles with a strategic European launch site, optimizing global access to space. Such partnerships underscore the global nature of space exploration and the ingenuity in combining diverse strengths. Have you ever heard about the collaboration between NASA and Australia's Commonwealth Scientific and Industrial Research Organisation in tracking space missions? Remarkably, the iconic Parkes Observatory in Australia played a crucial role in relaying live television of the Apollo 11 moon landing. This collaboration continues today, with Australia providing vital ground support for NASA's Deep Space Network, ensuring seamless communication with spacecraft journeying through our solar system. Speaking of seamless integration, did you know that the International Space Station, ISS, symbolizes one of the most significant peacetime collaborations in history? With 15 nations contributing, the ISS is a magnificent feat of engineering and diplomacy. The station continues to host astronauts from various countries, engaging in research that benefits all of humanity. It's an inspiring example of how nations can come together to achieve what none could accomplish alone. Here's a lesser-known fact. South Korea and the United Arab Emirates have joined forces in space exploration. Their agreement paves the way for cooperation in satellite development and space research. This partnership aims to leverage South Korea's advanced technology and the UAE's ambitious space objectives, marking a step forward in diversifying and expanding space capabilities beyond traditional spacefaring nations. Another fascinating detail is the collaborative efforts between the European Space Agency and the Chinese Academy of Sciences on the Solar Wind Magnetosphere Ionosphere Link Explorer, or SMILE mission. This mission seeks to explore the interactions between solar wind and Earth's magnetic field. By working together, these agencies blend their scientific prowess and technological capabilities, enhancing our understanding of these complex space weather phenomena. Have you ever considered the role of smaller nations in space cooperation? Luxembourg, aside from its partnership with the United States in space mining, has also joined hands with the European Space Agency to develop innovative space technologies. Luxembourg's focus on space resources and its commitment to fostering a commercial space industry illustrate its unique contribution to the broader space community. In an unexpected twist, the Japanese Aerospace Exploration Agency and the Indian Space Research Organization have collaborated on lunar missions. Their joint Chandrayaan missions aim to explore the Moon's surface and gather data about its composition. This partnership showcases how countries with different technological backgrounds can combine their strengths to push the boundaries of lunar exploration. Another captivating tale involves the Nordic countries, which may not be the first you think of when considering space exploration. However, through the Nordic Space Association, countries like Sweden, Norway, and Denmark collaborate on satellite technology and research. This regional cooperation enhances their ability to contribute to global space endeavors, showing how regional partnerships can amplify international efforts. Did you know that Germany and Japan have been working together on asteroid exploration? Their Hayabusa missions, which aim to collect samples from asteroids, represent a blend of German and Japanese technological expertise. These missions provide valuable insights into the early solar system, highlighting the potential of multinational collaborations in unlocking the mysteries of space. While discussing intriguing partnerships, consider the role of the United Kingdom in the European Space Agency. As one of the major contributors, the UK plays a pivotal role in projects like the Solar Orbiter mission. This mission, which studies the Sun, benefits from the UK's scientific and technical input, demonstrating how national contributions can enhance the collective capabilities of international projects. And speaking of the Sun, did you know that Israel and France are working together on the Venus mission? This satellite studies the interactions between the Earth's atmosphere and the Sun's radiation. By pooling their scientific prowess, these two countries advance our understanding of climate dynamics, showcasing how space collaboration can yield vital knowledge about our home planet. In a remarkable narrative of reconciliation, South Africa has partnered with Russia to develop space technology and infrastructure. After years of geopolitical tension, these two nations have found common ground in their pursuit of space exploration. Their cooperation serves as a testament to the power of space as a tool for fostering peace and collaboration. Have you ever pondered the role of international cooperation in planetary defense? The European Space Agency and NASA are working on the Asteroid Impact and Deflection Assessment mission, which seeks to test technologies for deflecting asteroids. This proactive approach to planetary defense is a compelling example of how nations can unite to protect Earth from cosmic threats, ensuring the safety of future generations. Lastly, consider how international cooperation extends to space education. The United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs, in collaboration with countries around the world, promotes space education initiatives aimed at inspiring the next generation of scientists and engineers. By fostering a global community of space enthusiasts, these initiatives ensure that the spirit of cooperation and exploration continues to thrive. As each story unfolds, it becomes clearer that international space cooperation is a tapestry of diverse partnerships, each contributing to a shared vision of discovery and understanding. The myriad ways in which countries collaborate in space not only expand the frontiers of science and technology, but also strengthen bonds across cultures and borders. Can you imagine what the future holds for such a unified endeavor? Here's an intriguing notion. Did you know that Argentina and Brazil have been quietly cultivating a partnership in space? Though you might not hear about it often, these two South American nations have been working together on satellite technology and space research since the late 20th century. Their collaboration exemplifies how regional partnerships can bolster technological advancement, even in regions where space exploration is still developing. In a similarly unexpected alliance, Turkey and Azerbaijan have embarked on a joint space initiative. This partnership focuses on satellite communications and Earth observation technologies. Although both countries are relatively new to the space scene, their collaboration symbolizes a mutual commitment to leveraging space technology for societal benefits, such as disaster management and agriculture. Now consider this. Indonesia and Japan have teamed up to enhance satellite-based disaster management systems. By utilizing Japan's advanced satellite technology, Indonesia aims to improve its ability to monitor volcanic activity and mitigate natural disasters. This cooperation highlights how space technology can play a crucial role in protecting vulnerable populations. Have you ever thought about how international collaboration extends beyond Earth? Well, here's a captivating example. NASA and the European Space Agency are working together on the Hubble Space Telescope. For over 3 decades, this telescope has provided unparalleled views of distant galaxies and cosmic phenomena. This joint endeavor underscores the value of pooling resources and expertise to achieve groundbreaking discoveries. Speaking of telescopes, China and the European Southern Observatory are jointly developing the 500-meter Aperture Spherical Telescope, or FAST. This radio telescope, located in China, is the largest of its kind in the world. It plays a pivotal role in the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, showcasing how global partnerships can drive ambitious scientific goals. In a more grounded endeavor, Mexico and the United States collaborate through the Mexico-US Foundation for Science on space-related projects. This partnership focuses on satellite technology and remote sensing applications, which are crucial for environmental monitoring and resource management. It reflects the importance of cross-border cooperation in addressing shared environmental challenges. Here's another surprising fact. Space cooperation also extends to medical research. Did you know that Canada, through its space agency, collaborates with international partners on studies related to astronaut health? The knowledge gained from these studies not only benefits astronauts, but also contributes to medical advancements on Earth, particularly in areas like bone density and muscle atrophy. Shifting gears to space communication, consider the partnership between Italy and Israel. These two nations have joined forces to develop advanced satellite communication systems. By combining their technological strengths, Italy and Israel enhance global communication networks, further illustrating how cooperation can transcend traditional geopolitical divides. Let's take a moment to reflect on another unique collaboration, the partnership between the International Space University and numerous space agencies worldwide. This institution fosters a global network of space professionals, offering advanced education and training. By cultivating expertise across borders, it ensures that the next generation of space leaders is well equipped to tackle future challenges. Speaking of education, did you know that the Russian Federation collaborates with several countries through the Soyuz program? This program, which facilitates crewed missions to the International Space Station, relies on international partnerships to maintain its operations. It's a testament to how mutual reliance on shared infrastructure can strengthen global space exploration. In a more recent development, Australia and the United Kingdom have initiated a cooperative effort to develop space-based defense technologies. This partnership seeks to enhance national security and resilience through advanced satellite capabilities. As space becomes increasingly integral to national defense strategies, such collaborations will likely become more common. Have you considered how space cooperation might extend to legal frameworks? The Hague International Space Resources Governance Working Group, which includes representatives from multiple countries, aims to establish guidelines for the exploration and utilization of space resources. By working together, countries hope to ensure that space activities remain peaceful and sustainable as humanity ventures further into space. Now, imagine this: a collaboration between Luxembourg and Japan focused on space resource utilization. These two nations are exploring the potential of mining asteroids for valuable resources. As the global interest in space mining grows, partnerships like this one could pave the way for a new frontier in space exploration. In a touching story of reconciliation, the United States and Vietnam have partnered on space research and technology transfer. This cooperation, which includes satellite development and climate research, reflects a desire to move beyond historical conflicts and work together towards shared goals. It's a powerful reminder of how space can serve as a conduit for healing and collaboration. Finally, let's contemplate the role of international cooperation in addressing climate change. The Global Climate Observing System, an initiative supported by countries worldwide, utilizes satellite technology to monitor Earth's climate. By sharing data and resources, nations can better understand and mitigate the impacts of climate change, underscoring the critical importance of working together to safeguard our planet. As we ponder these surprising examples of international space cooperation, it's clear that the possibilities for collaboration are as vast as space itself. Each partnership weaves a thread into the intricate tapestry of global space exploration, demonstrating that when nations unite in pursuit of knowledge and progress, they can push the boundaries of what is possible. Who knows what new horizons await as we continue to explore the cosmos together? Let me share something interesting with you. Did you know that Argentina and Brazil have teamed up to develop a joint satellite program called the Sabiá mission? This initiative focuses on monitoring ocean and coastal environments, providing valuable data to help manage marine resources. It's a perfect example of how regional neighbors can collaborate to tackle environmental challenges that transcend borders. Speaking of regional initiatives, the European Space Agency and the African Union Commission are working together on the African Framework for Space Science. This partnership aims to bolster space capabilities across the African continent, fostering technology development and education. By empowering African nations with the tools for space exploration, they hope to spur innovation and development on the ground. Here's a fascinating tidbit. The United Arab Emirates and India are collaborating on lunar exploration missions. This partnership not only emphasizes the growing interest in lunar activities, but also highlights the potential for countries with different spacefaring histories to come together in pursuit of shared goals. Have you ever wondered about the role of space cooperation in disaster response? The International Charter on Space and Major Disasters is a multilateral collaboration between space agencies worldwide. This initiative provides satellite data to countries affected by natural disasters, enabling timely and effective response efforts. It's a shining example of how space technology can serve humanity in times of need. And speaking of serving humanity, the International Space Station is a prime example of what can be achieved when countries unite. This orbiting laboratory is a testament to decades of international collaboration, bringing together astronauts from various nations to conduct research that benefits us all. The knowledge gained on board contributes to advancements in medicine, technology, and even our understanding of the universe. Let's consider another intriguing fact. The Australian Space Agency is working with the United States Geological Survey on satellite-based Earth observation projects. By collaborating on data collection and analysis, these two agencies aim to improve natural resource management and environmental monitoring. It's a striking example of how space cooperation can address global challenges. Here's something that might surprise you. South Korea and the United Kingdom have partnered to develop small satellite technology. This collaboration focuses on designing and launching small satellites for various applications, from telecommunications to environmental monitoring, showcasing innovation and adaptability in the rapidly evolving space industry. Imagine this. Luxembourg and the United States have entered into a memorandum of understanding on space resources. This agreement lays the groundwork for future collaboration in the exploration and use of space resources, such as asteroid mining. It's a forward-thinking partnership that could shape the future of space exploration in the decades to come. Another eye-opening fact is the cooperation between the French National Center for Space Studies and Israel's Space Agency. These two organizations are working on VEN-MUES, a joint satellite mission dedicated to monitoring vegetation with the ability to capture high-resolution images of Earth's surface. The mission aids in agricultural management and environmental protection. Switching to a different continent, let's explore how the Canadian Space Agency collaborates with the German Aerospace Center. Together, they're developing advanced radar technology for satellite missions, which will enhance Earth observation capabilities. This partnership highlights the importance of combining technological expertise to achieve common goals. Did you know that China and Russia are joining forces to build a lunar research station? This ambitious project aims to establish a long-term robotic or human presence on the Moon, reflecting both countries' commitment to advancing lunar exploration. It's an ambitious endeavor that underscores the potential for cooperation in reaching new frontiers in space. In Latin America, Chile and Japan have partnered on a project involving the Very Large Telescope, located in Chile's Atacama Desert. This collaboration facilitates groundbreaking astronomical research, providing insights into the universe's most profound mysteries. It's a reminder of how partnerships can lead to remarkable discoveries that enhance our understanding of the cosmos. Let's not forget the role of international cooperation in education and outreach. The European Space Education Resource Office, working with partners across Europe, aims to inspire and engage the next generation of space enthusiasts. By providing educational resources and programs, they're nurturing a global community of future scientists and engineers. And as we delve into the world of space diplomacy, consider the Artemis Accords. This set of principles, led by the United States and involving multiple nations, establishes guidelines for peaceful and cooperative lunar exploration. It represents a collective commitment to ensuring that space activities are conducted responsibly and sustainably. Finally, let's reflect on the International Astronautical Federation, a global network that brings together space agencies, industry, and academia. This organization fosters collaboration and information exchange, promoting space activities and encouraging international dialogue. It's a cornerstone of global space cooperation, facilitating progress in a field that knows no boundaries. As we weave these fascinating stories of international space cooperation together, we see a tapestry of innovation, shared goals, and mutual respect. Each partnership advances our collective understanding, pushing the boundaries of what humanity can achieve. Who knows what new discoveries await as we continue to explore the cosmos hand in hand. In this vast universe, there's truly no limit to what we can accomplish together. Another curious collaboration you might not have heard about is between the Indian Space Research Organization and France's National Center for Space Studies. They have teamed up to launch a satellite called Megatropiques, dedicated to understanding tropical weather and climate. This satellite provides valuable data on monsoon patterns, which is crucial for predicting weather changes that affect millions of lives. With the combined expertise of these two space agencies, they aim to improve weather forecasting and climate research, particularly in regions prone to extreme weather events. Speaking of weather, Japan and Brazil have been working together on the Amazonia. One satellite, which is Brazil's first Earth observation satellite, developed in collaboration with Japan. This satellite is crucial for monitoring deforestation and environmental changes in the Amazon rainforest. By sharing technological know-how and resources, both countries benefit from enhanced data collection, which aids in environmental protection and sustainable development efforts. This partnership reflects a shared commitment to safeguarding our planet's vital ecosystems. Another intriguing partnership is between the United States and the United Arab Emirates. They've come together to explore Mars, with the UAE's Hope probe being launched aboard an American rocket. The mission aims to study the Martian atmosphere, providing insights into the planet's climate and weather patterns. This collaboration not only strengthens ties between the two nations, but also contributes to the broader scientific understanding of our neighboring planet, showcasing the benefits of working together towards shared scientific goals. In a remarkable show of unity, space agencies from over 100 countries have participated in the United Nations Office for Outer Space Affairs program. This initiative provides a platform for nations to cooperate on space-related issues, offering assistance and guidance on space technology development. It ensures that even countries without their own space agencies can participate in global space efforts, promoting inclusivity and equal opportunities for all. A particularly heartwarming story comes from the partnership between the European Space Agency and the World Wildlife Fund. They are using satellite data to track wildlife migration patterns and monitor endangered species. This collaboration highlights an innovative application of space technology in conservation efforts, helping to protect biodiversity and ensure that future generations can experience the wonders of nature. Did you know that the International Space Station has hosted astronauts from over 20 countries? This includes nations like Malaysia and South Africa, whose contributions to space exploration may not be as widely recognized. Each astronaut brings unique perspectives and expertise, enriching the scientific research conducted on the station. It's a testament to the power of diversity and collaboration in achieving extraordinary feats in space. Another surprising alliance is between the Canadian Space Agency and the Indian Space Research Organization, focusing on maritime surveillance. Canada provides radar technology, while India contributes its satellite platforms. This partnership enhances the monitoring of maritime activities, such as fishing and shipping, ensuring the protection of ocean resources and maritime safety. It's a prime example of how space technology can have a tangible impact on life on Earth. Here's a fascinating bit of trivia. Italy and Argentina have joined forces in the creation of the SISG satellite system. This project combines Italian radar satellites with Argentine optical satellites to deliver comprehensive Earth observation data. This synergy provides valuable insights into agriculture, hydrology, and urban development, aiding in the management of natural resources and societal planning. The collaboration between South Korea and Kazakhstan on the launch of the Kazakh-T-SAT satellite is another noteworthy example of international cooperation. This satellite is designed to monitor space weather and observe environmental changes on Earth. By pooling their resources and technical know-how, these countries demonstrate the strength of partnership in advancing space exploration and understanding our planet's changing environment. An unexpected partnership you might find interesting is between Luxembourg and Japan, focusing on space debris removal. With the increasing number of satellites and space missions, debris has become a significant concern. This collaboration aims to develop technology to clear space debris, ensuring safer and more sustainable use of space for future generations. It's an essential step towards maintaining the long-term viability of our space activities. Did you know that the United Kingdom and Australia are working together on a project called the Southern Hemisphere Space Studies Programme? This initiative focuses on developing space education and research in the Southern Hemisphere, providing opportunities for students and researchers from that region. By fostering education and collaboration, they are building a foundation for future space exploration efforts, nurturing the next generation of scientists and engineers. Let's not overlook the collaboration between Austria and the United Nations on the Space Applications Program. This program offers technical assistance and training to developing countries, enabling them to harness space technology for sustainable development. By empowering nations with the tools and knowledge needed to leverage space technology, this partnership promotes economic growth and societal advancement. Another captivating fact is the cooperative effort between China and the African Union on the African Space Policy and Strategy. This initiative aims to strengthen Africa's capabilities in space science and technology, promoting innovation and development across the continent. By sharing expertise and resources, China and the African Union are working together to enhance Africa's presence in the global space community. In a similar vein, the European Union's Copernicus program is a collaborative venture involving multiple countries, providing free and open data on Earth's environment. This program supports a wide range of applications, from climate adaptation to disaster management, benefiting communities worldwide. By making this data accessible to all, the European Union is fostering global collaboration in addressing environmental and societal challenges. As we explore these surprising stories of international space cooperation, it's clear that the spirit of collaboration transcends borders and cultures. Each partnership brings together unique strengths and perspectives, driving progress and innovation in the pursuit of knowledge and the betterment of humanity. By working together, nations are not only expanding our understanding of the universe, but also finding solutions to some of Earth's most pressing issues. In this interconnected world, the possibilities are truly limitless.